You're watching a video made entirely by AI. No face, no camera, no voice recording. Yet somehow, this avatar, me, I'm talking to you like a real person. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I was built. From script to speech to lip sync, all using tools you can access right now. But don't skip ahead, because there's one thing that will almost certainly ruin the entire process. And if you miss it, your avatar might end up looking really weird. Let's get started.
Let's be real, filming content takes forever. Here's the problem: lighting, hair, audio, location. But what if I told you I made this entire video without turning on a single camera? And let's not even talk about re-recording because you said one too many times. That's why I wanted to try something a little futuristic several months ago. I decided to make an AI version of me that does all the talking while I chill in sweats editing videos in Canva behind the scenes. Meet that AI chick. Hey everybody! So let me show you the process, or at least the option I use so you can create your own AI talking avatar. First, you need to create an image that will be your avatar. You can make a photographic type image or something more illustrated, your choice. Use your favorite AI tool, free or paid. Once you've created the character you'll be using in your videos, you need to upscale the final image. This is a biggie. Remember, the better your image is, the better your video will be. Then save and download it. Pick an image where your character is facing forward with great lighting and has a neutral expression. Next up, the words. That's where ChatGPT or some other AI writer comes in. Or you can write the script yourself. Either way, you need something for the character to say. You can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script with different vibes. Playful, serious, mysterious, whatever you want. Once your script is ready, it's time to go on to the next step. Unless you're going to record the words in your own voice, you'll need to record the script somewhere, potentially using an AI text-to-speech audio tool of some sort. I've used many and have explained how to use several on the Mix It with AI channel in the past, so if you want more details about that, check out those videos on the channel. Pick your choice. 11 Labs, Text-to-Speech OpenAI, Google Gemini, TTS, etc. They're all good. Some are free, some are paid. Record your narration and boom, now you're one step closer to a talking avatar. Now it's finally time to make your avatar talk. Depending on the tool you're using, and I'm about to demo 3 for you, you'll need to upload your image, pick your voice, or upload a recording, hit generate, and bam! Your new AI character is talking like a pro. So let's go watch those tool demos right now.
Alright, so for this method, I'll be using Hedra. Here's how you use it. I want to make a video, but you could also make an image or an audio. To make a video, click on that button. Then you'll go to this interface. I would leave it on the basic settings if I were you when starting out, but you can choose any of these others. After that, I'll add my script, so go here. You can generate your own speech, you could record it, or you can upload it. For this example, I'll upload a recording I've already made, so I'll go here and grab that. You could listen to it if you wanted. Okay, then click on Media, and then click on this. Next, you want to add your image here. You can create it, capture it, or upload it. So I'll upload mine. Isn't she pretty? This is the one I'll be using. Then add a basic action prompt here like the one you see I've added. Okay, once you're done, just click on this red button. I'll come back when it's done. So here it is. Let's click on it. This face, AI generated. These skills, 100% downloaded from the School of Trial and Error. If you like the end results, click on the download button. Lastly, I wanted to show you Hedra's pricing plan. They do have a free plan that you can start at and all these other levels too. So you could try it for free, but remember, this level doesn't offer commercial usage. I just wanted to point that out. Alright, this is another one I've used for a really long time. This is DID. Here's their pricing plan. It has a free 14-day trial that you can try, and here are the other levels depending on what you want. Once you log in, you have a few choices you can work with. You can either use the panel over here or the panel up at the top. You can clone yourself, create an agent, translate something, or make a video using an avatar. Here are some of the ones I've already made. So you see, I've been using this for a while. They have a lot of avatars already in here if you want real people type avatars. Some have hands, some just heads, so you've got choices. This is one of the videos I made. It's very similar to use this tool. You upload your picture or choose one of the ones in here, upload your narration or record it here, and then you just click on it to put the two together. Let me show you.
Have you ever been working on a project and you needed a character of some sort as a narrator to speak to your viewers? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an animation from scratch for free.
So that talking cartoon all started from just a single picture and a recording. So this is DID. Upload your image, upload your narration, and there you go.
All right, now we're in another tool I want to introduce you to. I've been using this for a few weeks now and I really like it. It's called Lemonslice. It's very similar to the other tools in many ways, but very different too. I'll show you how to get started, so basically just work from left to right, follow the steps, and you should be able to make something here pretty quick. Click here to start a project. You can see older projects down here at the bottom. So I'll click on New Project. First, I need to select an image. You can select the face, and it gives you some hints down here about things you should and shouldn't do. All right, then confirm. Then the next thing I'll do is select audio. You can type in a script and use one of the voices they've got in here. Or you can record your audio. Just click here and start talking and record your voice that way. Or you can upload something you've already made. I'll do that. If you want to listen to it, just click right here. Make sure to select it. Yes, that's the one. And now we'll generate it. You can choose different models. I would just keep it on the standard resolution. There are 3 settings here and you can experiment with. Some are very expressive, some not so much. So you'll need to play with it to learn how the settings affect your outcomes. So I'll choose medium. You can make 1 or multiple videos, so we'll come back when it's done. While we're waiting, I'll show you the pricing guide. It's very reasonable. They do offer a free option that you can try out. It doesn't have commercial use and it will have a watermark. And here's the other plans as well. Okay, now it's done. Let's watch it. Look, I'm not saying I'm the Siri of AI training, but if the hoodie fits, all you have to do now is just click to download. So this is one really cool tool. So come here, check it out, and see what you think.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.